All right, we have finally come to the end of this series. This is video number 6, a series of 1 through 6, walking you through how I created this painting. And I gotta admit, I struggled, and you're gonna see my struggles. If you, I suggest you go to my video number 1 on this series of a woman with apples. It's kind of fun. It's kind of long. You know, you can slide through some of it if it gets a little boring, but I'll walk you through showing you how I changed my mind on the leaves, changed my mind and decided to put in a branch here. Had to darken this. I struggled here getting the reflections in the water. The most fun that I had was putting in this meadow. Now, off camera, I did the dress. This is a turquoise. So I laid in a light wash of turquoise and then came in after it dried and put in dark turquoise to make the shadows. So that's kind of easy. You can figure out how to do that. I didn't do that on camera. Now, to give you a little teaser, I'm going to circle you back to my video number 1, the very first part of it, just to let you know how this is progressing and how I started. So, be right back. You're going to see me demonstrate the leaves and the sky in episode number 1, and then I'm going to cut it off. We're going to start with the face. Let me show that. I'm going to start with the face and then start doing the leaves and the sky. So, all right, here's my idea. I'm going to have a lady here. Could be my mom back in the 30s. She used to pick apples during the fall, and it's going to be a fall scene. So I don't know about her face. I did have, I had it turned looking at me, but it's going to be sideways. So here we go. Apples, and she's going to have a flowing dress. And this is going to be a fall scene with fall leaves here and maybe trees back here. Okay, I'm back. Time to close this out and say goodbye. But before we do that, let me zero in. I'm just going to, let's start with the top, just so you can get a close-up. We got the leaves. I used an ink pen to highlight, put some black, some dark in. And let me just slowly move this up. Good shot of the face, gave her nice rosy cheeks. She's out, this is a fall day. She's picking apples. I struggled with this barn here. Okay, the meadow, the little picket fence, the rocks, and that is it. Okay, everyone, have a wonderful, wonderful day.